If cybersecurity were a battlefield, the Security Operations Center, or SOC, would be the command center. This video will explore society operations, including the tiered analyst structure, workflows, and the metrics used to measure security effectiveness. A SOC is a centralized team that continuously monitors and defends an organization's digital environment. It uses tools like SIEM and EDR to monitor networks, endpoints, and user activity. The primary goal is to detect and respond to threats quickly before attackers achieve their objectives. Tier 1 analysts are the first responders, handling high alert volumes and focusing on detection and triage. They monitor alerts, perform initial investigations, and escalate serious incidents to Tier 2 for deeper analysis. Tier 2 analysts investigate incidents escalated from Tier 1. They perform deeper threat analysis, correlate logs and network traffic, conduct malware analysis, and provide containment support to isolate affected systems. Tier 3 analysts are senior security experts who handle the most sophisticated threats, such as APTs and zero-day exploits. Their roles include advanced threat hunting, detection engineering, and incident response leadership. SOC workflow moves from alert generation to remediation. A well-defined workflow ensures consistent and efficient response, even under high pressure, preventing critical alerts from falling through the cracks. Escalation processes define when to act, who to notify, and how to initiate a response, reducing damage during active attacks. Immediate escalation is critical for severe triggers like ransomware or data exfiltration, warranting instant involvement from response teams and senior leadership. Key performance indicators measure society effectiveness. Metrics include mean time to detect, mean time to respond, alert accuracy, and 24/7 coverage. Speed and accuracy are vital, as slow response gives attackers more time to operate. SOC maturity progresses from reactive to proactive. Modern high-maturity SOCs utilize strong automation, advanced threat hunting, and integrated intelligence to defend against modern threats. Low-maturity SOCs are often characterized by manual processes and alert fatigue. Key takeaways include understanding the critical society tier structure and workflows. KPIs and maturity models drive continuous improvement. Up next, we will cover SIEM fundamentals, the core technology powering modern society detection and analysis.